the Withlacoochee Trail, and we're on the site of the Great Train Wreck of 1956. I'm guessing maybe down there was the train track or something, but it says you're standing on the site of one of the worst train disasters in Florida history. The tragedy occurred October 18th, which is our anniversary, 1956, on a dark, foggy morning in Panola, which is just right down the road. 5:12 in the morning. People from 5 miles away were awakened when two freight trains collided head on. Holy smokes. Wow. Wow. Crazy. Says the trains were loaded with perishables and dry goods traveling on the same track, full speed, 49 miles an hour, realizing they were on a collision course. Wow. Dunellen dispatcher Braddock phoned Cream Station Agent Cooper, telling him to get into his car and go see what you can find. Wow. On the site, the oncoming headlight, the northbound train engineer slammed on emergency brakes as he yelled to his assistants to brace themselves for a crash. 4 engines, 16 cars derailed, 4 crewmen died. Ironically, the tragedy might have been averted if recently installed radios have been put to use. However, engineers had agreed not to use them until they received additional pay as radio operators. Holy crap. Wow. That's crazy. So there's the collision site. That's basically right where we're at.